Yeah, children, today we are going to discuss factorization 8th class. Factorization 8th class, children, from Manjeet Singh's book I am telling. Please see here, children, all of you. So 12.1 exercise I am discussing, children. Let's complete 12.1 exercise. 12.1 exercise, first question. Okay, all deals with the factorization only. 3x plus 6. Okay, 3x plus 6. Nandika, how to factorize this? What is common?
3 common, x plus 2.
3 common, x plus 2. Very good. Next. Suju. 5xy plus 10y. Sujit, what is common?
10, 5.
5xy plus 10x. What is common?
5x.
5x common. If you take 5x common, what is left over here?
Y plus 5.
2.
2.
5 till the 10. Suju say like find some children. 2xy plus 6yz.
2 xy.
No, 2y.
2y.
2y is common. X plus
3z.
3z. Fourth question. Mn plus, see here, Mn plus Nl plus Lmn. What is common? Mn plus
Nl.
what is common?
Nl.
No, only N. L is not there here. Tell me.
Plus Nl plus M plus L. Lm.
Lm. Very good. Very good. Next. One more question. 12a square b. See here. 12a square b plus 15ab square. What is common?
A B.
3ab is common. 3ab is common.
4A plus 5B.
5b. 4a plus 5b. Next one. See here. 5xy minus 15x square y plus 20xy square. What is common?
5xy.
5xy. Very good. So 1 minus
3x plus 4y.
Very good. Next. A into a plus 3 minus a minus 3. What is common?
A plus 3 into A plus 3.
A plus 3 is common. If you take a plus 3 common, what will be there inside? A minus 1.
1.
A minus 1. Next. Suju, you tell last one. X square minus ax plus bx minus ab. What is common? What is common in both of them?
X minus A plus B x plus A minus
X minus a, if I take common, x plus b. Okay. Surya.
Yes, sir.
See, question is 5x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 2. In this, what is common?
X
If I take x square common, what will be left over here?
5x minus 2.
In this both, what is common?
1.
Okay. In this both, what is common?
5x minus 2, x square plus 2.
Very good. Next step. Tell 5 sums continuously. X cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3. In this both, what is common?
So what is the 3x?
No.
X square, x minus 3 plus x minus
What is common in both of them?
x square plus x minus 3 into x square plus 1.
X square plus 1. Next. X cube next 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x4. What is common? In all of them, what is common now?
2.
2x
X 2x square.
2x square. So what is left over here?
5x minus 5 minus 9x plus 7x square.
7x square. Very good. 7x square. written 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. What is common in both of them?
Sir, 2y.
2y. What is left over?
2x plus y plus 3 into x plus 1. X plus 1 into 2y plus 3.
2y plus 3. Next. Surya, you tell one more sum. Ax cube minus 3ax square minus x plus 3. In this, what is common?
Sir, ax square.
Very good. Ax square. What is left over?
Ax minus 3.
In this both, if I take minus common, x minus 3 you will get. If I take minus common, x minus 3. What is common now?
X minus 3 into ax square minus 1.
Ax square minus 1. Next. X square minus y plus 4 x plus 4y. Open the brackets. X square
Square minus y minus 4.
xy minus 4x plus 4y. Yeah. What is common here?
X into x minus y.
4 into
4 into x plus y.
x minus y. Minus into minus plus.
Yes.
X minus y is common.
X minus 4.
X minus 4. Next.
Hmm?
Amma.
Well, in 14 to 1, it comes under an identity.
Huh?
Algebraic identity. X plus a into
X plus, this is x minus y, Nana. This is x minus 4.
so in in starting from x square minus y plus 4 into y plus 4, but that comes under x plus a into x plus b identity. Is equals to x square minus y plus 4.
No, here square is not there. No, here square is not there. No, 4y square. Identity won't come. Square is not there. Yeah. Nandika, you tell. 2x plus 4y minus 8xy minus 1. Nandika?
Yes. 2. Sorry, okay. 2 if we take common, x plus 2y. Minus 1.
No, you can't take anything common. Shall we try this both? Shall we try this both? This both you try. 2x if you take common, 1 minus
1 minus 8y.
4y. Okay, now you take this both. Plus 4y minus 1. Okay?
What?
Okay. So 2x into 1 minus 4y. Minus if I put minus 1 plus 4y. Okay? So 2x 1 minus 4y. Here if I take brackets 1 minus 4y. 1 minus 4y, 1 minus 4y common. So what is left over? 2x minus 1. Okay, children, 2x minus 1, 16. Next. 8 minus 4a minus 2a cube plus a4. Yeah, Nana. Nandika.
Sir,
What we will take? We will arrange them in decreasing order. a4 minus 2a cube minus 4a plus 8. Now, in this both, what is common?
A3.
A cube is common, so a minus 2. In this both, what is common?
4, sir. A minus 2.
A minus 2 is common.
A minus
Next 17th one. So children, how I am doing, you should see children, be careful children, like this if you do only you get it. See, be careful children, 1 plus a square plus b square plus a square b square. Nandika? 1 plus a square plus b square plus a square b square. Yeah, Nandika?
Yes, sir.
1 is common, 1 plus a square.
1 plus a square.
B square is common,
B square. 1 minus 1.
1 plus a square. In this both, 1 plus a square is common. 1 plus a square if you take common, what is left over, Nana? 1 plus b square.
1 plus B square.
1 plus b square. Next. Okay, next. Please see here, children. Next one. 18th one. AB x square plus ax minus b x minus y. Okay, Nandikatel. First open the brackets.
Yes.
AB x square
Plus bx and minus.
What is happening? So here ax square is common, then b plus 1. Here minus, here what is common, children? Ax square b plus 1. No, you can't take anything common, children, here. So what we'll do is, see ax, x is ax square minus bx and minus y. Here what shall we take common, children? What shall we take common here? Here we'll take ax square. If I take common, it won't come. Okay, children, what shall we do now? So children, see here what I'm doing. So we have AB x square plus ax square minus bx minus y. Okay, so what shall I do this? This both I will take. I am just doing trial and error method. This both I am doing. In this both, what is common, children? Anyone? In this both, what is common? Anyone? Bx. If bx is common, ax minus 1. And in this both, anyone? What is common, children? Anyone? Ax square minus y. Anyone? What is common? Children, ax square minus y. What is common? Nothing is common. Raghuram? I wrote the question wrong. I am writing question again. Please tell Nana how to do. See, I am writing AB x square plus ay minus b into x minus y. This is the question. Can you, yeah, open the brackets first.
If AB x square plus ayx minus bx minus ay.
Minus y. Now in this both, what is common? Ax.
Ax bx plus y.
In this both, what is common? Minus 1. If you take minus 1 common, bx plus y.
Bx plus y.
Bx plus y is common.
X plus y into ax minus 1.
Ax minus 1. So children, you have to practice like this, children. Still sums are there, I will show you. First, you have to copy all the sums, children. If you copy and if you practice only, you will understand, children. If not, it will become difficult for you to understand. Okay, I hope you are copying, children. Next sums. See, children, next sum. Raghuram, you tell. Next sum. 19th sum. Raghuram, are you able to see 19th sum?
Sir, I am not able to.
Now you are able to see?
Not
Now you are able to see?
Sir, now I am able to see.
A square minus 10ab plus 25b square plus 2a minus b.
Yes, sir.
This we can write it as a square
A square minus x square plus 5b square minus 2a into 5b.
2 into 5b. This is 2a plus 10. 1 second. This is 2a plus 10b. Yeah. And plus 2a minus 10b will write as it is.
Minus 10.
This is in the form of
A minus b whole square. Sir.
a minus 5b whole square plus 2 if you take common a minus 5b.
2a minus 5b.
A minus 5b here is there, here also it is there. So what is left over here?
1
A minus 5b plus 2. This is the answer. Okay, children, 20th question. xy into a square plus b square minus ab into x square plus y square. Yeah, man. Raghuram, open the brackets. First, open the brackets.
xy a square plus
xy a square,
b
xy b square
square
minus
minus ab x square minus ab y square.
ab y square. So, where is what will take common now?
Sir, xy we need to take common.
What now? We will take common a square square. Xy xy.
xy x.
Already xy xy is common is there, from that only we came out. In this one, what is common?
Sir, a is common.
X
A and x.
ax is common. In this
AX.
both of ax is common. If ax is gone,
Ax is gone b.
ay minus
minus
bx.
bx.
In this both, what is common?
B and y.
by if it is taken,
It becomes bx
xb minus
by.
minus x ay. But here ay minus bx is there. Here xb minus ay is there. What shall we do?
So we need to change this.
How will you change? Here ay minus bx is there. Here bx minus ay is there. Put here minus. If you put
Yes.
minus, this will change. See, children, all of you. Ax into ay minus bx. If you put minus here, okay, by into ay minus bx. Now what is common? This is common. Ay minus bx is equal to
bx into ax minus b.
ax minus b. Like that, children. If it is not coming same, put minus. Instead of plus, put minus. This will become reverse. Okay, children, like that you have to do. Next one, like this, only one more thing. A square minus b square into c plus b square minus c square into a. Yeah, what shall we do?
Yes.
Open the brackets. A square c minus b
A
square
c minus
c
b square c plus b square a minus c square a.
in this both, what is common? AC.
So c is common.
AC is common. If AC is
AC.
common, A minus C.
A minus
In this both, what is common?
b is common.
B square. B square. B square is common. A minus C.
A
A minus C. If you take A minus C common, what you will get?
A minus
AC plus BC square.
b square.
AC plus BC. So like this you have to do, children. So children, we have done almost 21 sums, children. Please copy them, children. Then I will do some more sums now, children. If you copy them, I will send some more sums. First, I will send the picture, children, so that if you didn't copy also later you can practice, children. Please copy them. I am sending the picture. 1 second, just wait, children. We will do again some more sums are there. Yeah, children, I am erasing this. Now we will do some more sums, children. So please, I hope you all copy, children. So next, some more sums I am doing, children. Okay, let me complete of this exercise 12.1. So children, next sum. Nandika, 20 seconds sum. Nandika, are you there? X square plus a minus 1 by a minus 1 by a xy minus y square. Surya, can you tell this sum how to do? Axy
minus 1xy by a minus y square.
minus y square. In this both, what is common will take? In this both, what will common? X will take common. X if you take common, x minus y by a. In this both, what is common? Y.
Y into ax.
X minus y, ax minus y. Okay, so just to see here, x into, if I take this LCM, ax minus y plus y into ax minus y. Instead of putting here, I can put it here also, no problem will be there. If I put like this, x by a into ax minus y plus y into ax minus y. Now what is common? Ax minus y is common, Surya. So x by a plus y, like this you have to do. Like this you have to do. What is in the next 23rd sum, children? Surya, try this sum. A cube plus ab into 1 minus 2a minus 2b square. Surya, open the brackets.
A plus AB minus 2A.
In this what is common, Surya? In this what is common? In this what is common? Minus 2b.
2B into A square plus
Minus into plus minus. So a square plus b is common into a minus 2b. 24th sum. Okay. ab into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. Okay. Come on, Surya, multiply ab into x square. ab, come on, Surya. A square x plus b square x. In this both what is common, Surya? Ax.
AX into B x plus A.
In this both what is common? B. If I take b common,
Plus
bx.
BX.
In this both what is common?
A plus BX.
Then what is left over?
AX plus B.
Super. Very good. Suju,
Mr.
a cube plus ab into 1 minus 2a minus 2b square. First multiply this and this. Come on. A cube
A2 plus AB minus 2A square B minus
in this both what is common? In this both what is common?
A
A square. A minus 2b.
A minus
In this both what is common? B.
E
A minus 2b. What is common?
A minus A square plus B.
Next. X cube minus x square plus ax plus x minus a minus 1. Surya, you're not able to see. Yeah. Surya, in this what is common?
Sir, X.
Yeah. In this what is common? In this what is common?
X.
Okay, x is common. So what do you get? X square plus
Square
a.
plus A. Okay. Sir, for those one,
In this both what is common? Minus 1. X square plus a minus 1 again. Okay. So in this both what is common?
sir, X square plus A into X minus
1 minus 1.
1.
So that is how you can write it. Okay. So still you can simplify it. So if I take or else what you will do, Surya? In this 3 what is common? In this 3 what is common? X. No, better is leave like this only.
Yes.
Next, Raghuram 27 sum. Raghuram 27. X square minus xy plus zx plus zy plus 2x minus 2y. In this both what is common?
X is common.
X is common, x minus y.
X minus
In this both what is common? Z is common.
X plus Y.
In this both what is common? 2 is common.
X minus
1 second. Zx plus zy. This is minus, Nana. This is minus. If this is minus, this is also
minus
what is common in everything?
Sir, x minus 5.
What is left over?
X plus z plus
X plus z plus 2. Like that you have to analyze children. Next 28th sum. Okay, so 11x square minus 55x minus 13x plus 65. What is common here?
Sir, 11 is common. 11x is common. 11x x minus 5 minus 13 x minus 5. X minus 5 is common in them, and 11x minus 13.
Next 29. 2x minus 3 whole square. Surya minus 8x plus 12. Surya,
Yes.
what is this? 2x minus 3 will write like this. Here what is common? 4.
The 4 into 2x minus 3.
What is common now?
So 2x minus 3.
What is left over here?
2x minus 3 minus 4.
Fantastic. 2x minus 3 minus 4. So children, like that you have to do, children. Hope you are copying. Next one. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 3x plus minus 3 by x. Nandika, are you there? Nandika, are you there? Suju, what is common?
X.
This we can write it as what? X plus 1 by x whole square.
With
3 if I take common, x
With
plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x plus 1 by x common.
x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x minus 3.
Minus 3, okay. Now revision children, same sums, revision. Okay, Suju, you do revision first. Yeah, next sum. 7x minus 42, Suju.
This 7 common.
7 is common. Then what will be left over?
X minus 6.
Very good. I will ask you 10 sums continuously, you only tell. 6p minus 12q.
2 common. 2.
6 common. Okay, next Suju, tell. 7a square plus 14a. What is common?
7a.
What is left over?
A plus 2.
Fast you should say. Next. Okay, next one. So fourth question, children. Suju, you only say fourth question. Minus 16z plus 20z cube. What is common?
Minus 4z.
So what is that? 4.
4
Minus into minus plus.
plus minus 5z.
I am only writing, you are not saying. Next. 20l square m plus 30 alm. What is common? Huh?
10 lm.
10 lm. So what is left over inside?
L plus a.
2l plus
3a.
3a. 2l plus 3a. Next one. 5x square y. 5x square y. Sorry. 5x square y minus 15xy square. What is common?
5xy.
5xy is common. So x minus
X minus 3y.
x minus 3y. Next one, seventh one. Okay, last sum you tell. After that I will ask other student. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. What is common?
5.
5a. No, 5. That's all. 2a square
2a square minus 3b square plus 4 c
c
square.
square. Next, Surya. Minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Surya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The 2 is
Minus 4a is common. A minus b
minus
plus c.
okay.
Minus into plus minus. Next one you also say, next one also you only x square y z plus x y square z plus x y z square. What is common? X y z. If I take common, what is left over here? X
Plus y plus
z. Very good. Next, 10th question. Ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz.
sir
Xy is common, okay?
xy into ax
Ax plus
ax plus by square will be y plus cy.
next. Okay. Next one second. X square plus xy plus ax plus 8y. What is common? X is common.
X plus y plus 8 and x plus y into 8 plus x.
8 plus x. Last two sums. You tell. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. What is common here?
X
3x. 3x. 5y minus 2.
minus 2 plus 1 into 5y minus 2 5y minus 2 3x plus
3x plus 1. Okay. Next. Ax plus bx minus ay minus by. What is common in both of them? X. What is common in both of them? Minus y. What is common in both of them?
x a plus b into x.
X minus y. Next. Next 14th one. 15 PQ plus 15 plus 9Q plus 25P. I'm sorry, yeah. Surya, what is common here? What is common? No, PQ will come here, PQ won't come. Let's try here. What is common here? What is common here? This and this. 3Q. 5P plus 3. Here what is common? 5.
5 and
5P plus 3. What is left over? 5P plus 3 into 3Q plus 5. Are you able to understand? Yeah, next diagram.
Yes.
Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz.
There is 7 plus xy.
Here one is common.
1 into z minus 7 and 7xy is common.
7xy. Okay. 7xy.
The 7xy, 7xy.
No, just xy. Just xy. 7 minus z. But I want z minus 7.
So we need to put minus xy, z minus 7. Z minus 7 taken as common, 1 minus xy.
1 minus xy. Next. Okay. Suju next. Ax square plus bx. Suju.
A plus B.
Next. 1 second. Yeah, Suju. Next one. 7p square plus 21q square.
7.
Tell.
P square plus 3Q square.
Next. 2x cube plus 2xy cube plus 2xz square.
2x.
2x. If 2x is common,
X
square plus
y cube plus z square.
Z square. 19th question. 19th question. Suju, you only tell. AM square plus BM square plus BN square plus AN square. What is common here? Fast. M square.
M square. A plus B.
What is common here?
N square. A plus B.
What is common here?
A plus B.
What is left
M
over?
plus N M square plus NM square.
M square plus N square. Next 20. LM plus 1 plus M plus 1. LM plus L. LM plus L. 1 second. This is LM plus L plus M plus 1. Tell what is common here?
L.
What is left over?
M plus 1.
Here what is common?
1.
What is left over?
1.
What is common?
M plus 1.
What is left over?
M L plus 1.
L plus 1. Shabash. Next. Y into Y plus Z plus 9 into Y plus Z. What is common?
Y plus Z.
What is left over?
Y plus 9.
Y plus 9. Next. 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz.
5y.
5y common. What is left over?
Y minus 4.
And here what is common?
2
Z.
2z.
2z.
4.
Minus y.
Minus.
But I want to make this y minus 4. What should I do? Y minus 4 I want to make. What should I do? If I want to make this y minus 4,
5y
put here plus. Instead of minus, put here, change the sign. It will become y minus 4. So y minus 4 into
5y plus 2z.
5y plus 2z. Okay. So next one. Next, Raghuram.
Yes, sir.
10ab plus 4a plus 5b plus 2.
Yes. So we can 10a for 2a and 5b plus 2 plus 1 into 5b plus 2. 5b plus 2 taken common into 2a plus
2a plus 1. Next, Surya. 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Surya. Surya, what is common here? 2y. 3x minus 2. Here what is common, Surya? 3. 2 minus 3x. So children, here I want to make 3x minus 2 means what I should do here? I should put minus. So 3x minus 2 into minus 3 into 3x minus 2. I will take 3x minus 2 as common. If I take 3x minus 2, I will be left over with 2y minus 3. So you have to change the signs accordingly. Next. Next. Raghuram.
Yes, sir.
A4 plus, x4. x4 plus x cube plus 2x plus 2.
The x cube should be taken from x plus 1. The 2 should be taken from x plus 1. X plus 1 taken common into x cube plus 2.
X cube plus 1. 2. X cube plus 2. Nandika is there? Nandika, are you sleeping? One sum also you didn't tell Nandika today. 1 plus a square b square plus a square plus b square. Nandika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell. 1 plus,
1 plus
in this what is common? 1.
1 plus a square.
In this both what is common? B
B
square.
1 plus a square. a square plus 1. A square plus 1 a square plus 1.
Next 27. Nandika, say one more sum.
Sir,
2a minus 8ab minus 1 plus 4b. Yes, can you help me how to do that?
and I can't see the left side.
You can't see the board. Okay.
Right side.
Yeah, now 2a minus 8ab minus 1 plus 4b. Take common here 2a.
So 2a is common and 1 minus 4b and 1 minus 1 take common. 1 minus 4b if you take common 2a plus
2a minus 1. Okay. Next. So children, like this you have to do. Last 5 sums are there, children. Let me complete up the 5 sums. Full exercise will be over, children. Okay. So 12.1 exercise, children. Actually, this is from Manjit Singh. Next. So next. A square x square plus ax square plus 1 ax square plus 1 into x plus a. Okay, you have to resolve it to factors. Come on. So Nandika, a square x square ax cube.
plus x plus
What is common here?
a
Ax square. Ax plus 1. Ax plus 1 or ax plus x? Ax plus x. And here what is common? 1 x plus a. Is it working out? No, it is not working out. See once. Nandika, are you there?
sir,
What happened?
nothing's in my phone.
In this both what is common? X is common. No, 1 second. Just see here. A square x square plus ax square plus 1 into x plus a. Open the brackets. Open the brackets, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in this both what will take common? A. Ax square plus 1. In this both what will take common?
Yes.
X. Again ax square plus 1.
X
Ax square plus 1. You mute your audio and I'm getting disturbance from you. Next, Ravra. Last 4 sums.
Yes, sir.
AB into x square plus 1. Okay. Plus x into a square plus b square.
Yes, sir. AB x square plus AB
Okay.
plus x a square x plus b square x.
Okay. What is common?
Yes, sir. Ax square is common. Bx plus
A.
a then b is common.
A plus
A
bx.
plus x a plus bx. Bx plus a taken common into ax plus b.
Okay, next. 3a minus 1 whole square. 3a minus 1 whole square. Okay, minus 6a plus 1. Minus 6a plus 2 plus 2. Yeah, Raghav, can you help me how to do this?
Can we move to the
3a minus 1 whole
3
square.
minus 1 whole square minus 2. Sir, can you move to both sides?
3a minus 1.
3a minus 1 whole square into 3a minus 1 minus.
Okay, so how much is going to be?
3a minus
3. If you still want, you can take 3 also common. That it will become a minus 1. It will become a minus 1. Okay. Next sum. 1 second. Just be online for you. Just. Suju, are you there? Suju?
Yes, sir.
1 minus 2y whole square. Okay. Minus 7 plus 14y. Can you help me out? This remain as it is. Here what is common?
7. 1 plus 2y.
1 minus 2y, 1 minus 2y common. If I take 1 minus 2y common,
Common
1 minus
1 minus
2y
2y
minus 7.
minus 7.
So 1 minus 2y into 1 minus 7 is
Minus 2y
minus
minus
6. Minus 6. If you still want, you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, here minus y minus 3 will be left over. Still, if you still want. Okay. Next. Surya, are you there? Please tell me x square plus y square. Okay. Plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Okay. Open the brackets.
Square plus y square plus 2y plus y
This can be written as what? A square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. In this 2z is common. What is left over? Y plus x. Y plus x is common. So what is left over?
plus x into x plus y plus 2.
X plus y plus 2z. Next. Sixth question. Raghuram, are you there? Raghuram, AB into x square plus y square. AB into x square plus y square plus xy into a square plus b square. Can you open the brackets, Raghuram?
Yes, sir. AB x square plus AB y square
Okay.
plus x a square xy plus b square xy.
In this both what is common?
So ax is common.
Ax is common. Bx plus ay.
bx plus ay.
In this both what is
Yes.
common?
By is common. And
Ay plus bx.
bx.
Now ay plus bx is common.
Yes, ay plus bx is common into ax plus by.
Ax plus by. Next. Nanda, are you there? 1 plus a plus b plus c plus ab plus bc plus ca plus abc. Yeah, children? Anyone? Yes, children. This 1 plus a we will take as it is. Please see here, children. 1 plus a I am taking as it is. Last two sums, children. I was helping. 1 plus a I am taking as it is. Plus, sorry, this both I will take common. B if I take common here 1 plus a. In this both C if I take common 1 plus a. If I take BC common, children, here 1 plus a. If I take 1 plus a common, children, instead of this 1, instead of this b, instead of this c, instead of this bc, like this you can write, children. Last sum of the day. Xy into 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus xy plus 1 by xy. Okay, so Raghuram, will you try? Open the brackets.
Yes, sir. Xy by 1 xy
By
one
x square
x square plus xy by y square plus xy plus 1 by xy.
So this gone, this
Y-
gone. Y by x
plus x by y plus xy plus 1 by xy.
What is LCM here? Xy.
Xy
Xx gone, y square.
y square
Y gone, x square.
x square.
Am I taking correct? X. No, let it be like this only. So what I will do? In this both, what is common? In this both, y.
The
In
y
this
is common.
Y is
Y.
common. 1 by x plus 1. In this both, what is common?
The x is also left over.
1 by x plus x. Yeah.
1
In
by
this
x.
both, what is common? In this both, what is common?
after x is common.
No, 1 by y is common.
1 by y.
1 by y is common. X plus 1 by
X
x.
plus 1 by x.
And
X
this
plus
is
1 by
common.
x is taken common
Where
into y plus 1 by y.
y plus 1 by y. That's it, children. This is the final answer. X plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y. So like this, children, first exercise of 12.1 factorization we have completed. Tomorrow we'll do 12.2, children. I have completed almost 40 to 50 sums. I told you to children today. You have to practice them. If you practice them, you'll become perfect children. Please practice them after the class. Thank you so much.